Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are doing the try not to laugh challenge. Yes. So let's go to YouTube right now and search there you go, try not to laugh, or TikTok edition. I never saw this one. Okay. I have 2 lives left. I don't understand anything. I have 1 life left. Oh my god, that was so funny, but I didn't laugh. I think there's an animal in it. Yeah, there's an animal. Like a mouse or a rat. That was so funny, and that we don't count lives in this. Okay, we don't count lives in this, okay? That's too funny.
Hello guys, I recommend my friend channel Mr. Memos. This is a channel with very funny compilations. Subscribe and be always in a positive mood.
Is he going to fart? I'm done. I lost. That was so funny too. What the heck? I time-lapsed myself doing an ab workout. Oh, I think what the heck? No, we're watching that again. That was so funny. I'm done. That's too funny. I already saw this on TikTok.
Just wait for it.
What the heck? Okay. That's not funny at all. I don't understand what's funny there. What the heck? I'm done. That was funny. What the heck? Oh, she's gonna buy his. Oh my god. Like, look, those dogs, I always see TikToks with them biting people. I literally thought, like, this dog, like, what the heck? I thought you were supposed to bite. And anyways, why does his toe is like that curly? Like, a toe is supposed to be like this straight, not like curly like a ball. Okay, anyways, let's continue.
Never buying a TV off Wish again.
What the heck? Okay, I don't know what that guy is doing. Bro, he bald. What thing? That was so funny. Yeah, that was so funny. Like, dude, are you dumb? Like, the video says they say Americans don't know other countries' flags. And this guy was like, oh, easy, that's Pepsi. Like, Pepsi, that's not Pepsi, my guy. I can get you a Pepsi can, and I can literally, like, shove it in front of your face and then show you how bigger France is. Like, I know every single country flag, okay? Now shut the fuck up. Americans don't know. See? He said Pepsi. Like, that's not Pepsi. What the heck? I don't understand what that was. Oh, is he going to spill it? I know he's gonna spill it. Oh, he didn't. What? That's funny. That's funny. Like, what the heck? What the heck? That was actually kind of creepy. My husband, wait, what the heck? My husband told me he was upstairs fixing a leak in the bathroom, and now this is what he's doing. What the heck? Oh, that was nice. That was fun. funny, that's funny. Like 30 ping. 200 ping. Disconnect. 500 ping. That's funny. Okay. Oh my god. That's so unlucky. Bro, what the fuck is the dog doing? Hey, you what? Is it going to be a fat face? Oh, okay. Now, look. You pissed in there, okay? You pissed in there, you clean it, little cat. Okay? You pissed in it, you clean it. What the heck? What the heck? Hey, yo, cat. Wait. Let's just pause it right here, okay? Like, that butt cheek do be looking kinda good. Like, I want, like, you know, like that Minecraft thing where it's a piston and it goes like this, and there's a candle here, and there's a sheep, and it goes in this butt. I want to do that with my hands right now. Okay, that's not funny. Bro, what the fuck? Hey, what the Okay, nah. Let's just go away from that. Miss Bot. What the heck? That was funny actually. Bruh, that was it. Okay, so that was it, I guess. Okay, so that's a nice try not to laugh challenge. I liked that video. Comment if you want to see more type of content like this. Comment what you want me to see next. And let's say at 10 million subscribers, I'll do a face cam. 10 million. Okay? Actually, no, 15 million. So, see you next time. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, like the video, and peace.